Hi friends, today's my topic laser has been introduction. NASA technicians prepared LADs on board communication laser system for the test NASA's ground station located in White Sands Complex in Las Cruces. NM activated its communication laser beam October 18, 2013, which travels 239,000 miles to the LADs spacecraft in lunar orbit. Cassini-Huygens space research mission, commonly called Cassini, involved a collaboration among NASA, European Space Agency, and the Italian Space Agency to send space probe to study the planet Saturn and its system, including its rings and natural station satellites. The flagship class robotic spacecraft comprised both NASA Cassini space probe and ESA Huygens lander, which landed on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Cassini was the fourth space probe to visit Saturn, and the first entered its orbit. Two craft took the names from the astronomers Guglielmo Cassini and Christian Cassini. This is a spacecraft picture. Cassini planners originally scheduled a mission of 4 years from June 2004 to May 2008. The mission was extended for another 2 years until September 2010. Branded the Cassini Offensive Mission, the mission was extended a final time with the Cassini Solstice Mission, lasting another 7 years until September 15, 2017, on which date Cassini was deorbited to burn up in Saturn's upper atmosphere. The Huygens model traveled with Cassini until its separation from the probe on December 25, 2004. Huygens landed by parachute on Titan of January 14, 2005. It returns data to Earth from around 90 minutes using orbiter as budget Earth for around 90 minutes. Rotated its 90 minutes around orbiter. This way, the first landing ever accomplished in the outer solar system, and the first landing on Moon, the Earth's moon. This mission was successfully behind expedition. NASA's Planetary Science Division Director Jim Green described Cassini Huygens as a mission of first that has revolutionized human understanding of the stellar system, including its moons and rings, and over understanding of where life might have found in the solar system. At the end of its mission, Cassini spacecraft executed its grand final as a number of risky passes through the gaps between Saturn and Saturn inner rings. The phase imitated magazine Cassini's scientific outcome before the spacecraft was internationally destroyed. The atmospheric entry of Cassini ended the mission, but analysis of returned data will continue for many. Laser communication in space. Laser communication in space uses of free space orbital communication in outer space. Communication may be fully in space, of inter satellite laser link, or in ground to satellite to ground application. The main advantages of using laser communication over radio waves in increased bandwidth enabling the transfer of more data in less depth. In outer space, the communication range of free space optical communication is currently the order of several thousand kilometers, suitable for inter-satellite service. It has the potential to bridge interplanetary distance of millions of kilometers using optical telescopes as beam expanders. This is a diagram of model ground-based laser array. Cassini-Huygens mission was one of the largest interplanetary spacecraft. The Cassini orbiter weighed 2125 kgs and was 6.7 meters 22 feet long and 4 meters wide. The instruments on board Cassini included radar to map the cloud-covered surface of Titan and the magnetometer to study Saturn's magnetic. Cassini Cassini drew in electric power from the heat generated by the deficiency of 33 kgs of plutonium, the largest amount of radioactive element never launched into space. Protesters has claimed that an accident during launch or Cassini flyby of Earth could expose Earth's population to harmful plutonium. Just to try to block the launch with a flurry demonstrations and last situations, but NASA counted the case in case for pollination were robust enough to serve any mission. Cassini-Huygens flew past Gravity estimate April 1998 and did same with Earth and Jupiter in August 1999 and December 2000. Respectively, during its flybys of Earth, Cassini's spectrometers observed water on the surface of the moon. This data was later used in 2009 to confirm the Indian probe Chandrayaan finding for small amount of water in the disc-shaped Huygens probe was mounted on the side of Cassini. It weighed 349 kgs, was 2.7 meters across. The CAD-6 instruments designed to study the atmospheric and surface of. Thank you.